Today we're going to make a backyard fire pit at my son's house with materials from Lowe's. He already had a ring, but I had the ring in the stone, and I love the stone. So I persuaded him to get the stone also. So we headed to Lowe's on his off day because he would need to be the muscle for me to lift all the stone. Now, I shop at Lowe's a lot. I am cooperating in partnership with Lowe's for this video, and we went there, which is a place that is my destination a lot of time. I love all their plants, their gardening supplies, soil, everything that you need for your garden, indoors and out, you can find at Lowe's. But we strolled through the front portion of Lowe's, walking past all these wonderful things that they have there in November. And of course I was tempted, but I promised myself I wouldn't do any plant shopping with my son. We need to go straight to the stone department so he can get his supplies. Now we went to the rear portion where the stone is located, and my son looked through the different stone that is available. We ended up choosing flagstone, wallstone, the Allegheny, I think, is either the design or the color. I'm not sure what that means, but that's the one he chose. And it looked to be that we would probably need about 13 to 14 stone, and he wanted 3 rings, and that's what we chose. Now they do provide, Lowe's provides the little wagon for you to carry things on, so we went straight to it. Now both of us together took the stone and carried it around to the rear yard and just kind of placed it in a ring and kind of adjusted the fit so that it went outside the ring. Sometimes there's a small gap between your ring of stone and the metal itself, but that just gives you extra airflow, etc. So we decided on 3 stone stacked would be just perfect for his fire, and it didn't take maybe 30 minutes, and if I wasn't such a hindrance, he may have done that more quickly himself. But in a moment we had the fire ring ready, and it's ready to burn as soon as you put it together. Now, after the stacking was all completed, 3 stone high, we were done. Basically, that's all you need. No adhesive, nothing like that is needed. And that's nice because if sometime later you decide you don't want your fire pit in that spot, you can move it in an afternoon, no problem. You can easily scoop out all the ash. Wood ash can be spread in your garden, across your yard, into your flower garden. Just layer it and let it get watered in or snowed in by the snow. But I think everything turned out real well. I'm looking forward to using it, and my affiliate links are below if you should like to make a purchase yourself. But I really love it. If you don't like a rusty ring, then you could buy the high heat spray paint. Rust-Oleum high heat paint would be perfect to give yourself a black ring. Thanks a lot. Now I'm just waiting to be invited to the campfire.